Western thinkers. We are talking about the Western thinkers. As I have told that no knowledge can develop, no subject can develop, no knowledge can develop without thinkers, without knowledgeable persons. Whenever there are knowledgeable persons, whenever there are thinkers, the subject may grow, the knowledge may grow. No subject, your sociology cannot grow without these thinkers. Your sociologist subject cannot grow without the Western sociologists, without these Indian sociologists. And as I have told you yesterday, we were talking about the father of sociologists. Who is the father of sociologists?
Auguste Comte.
Auguste Comte. When he was born, can anybody tell me? 1917. When he was 5, when the father of sociology, Auguste Comte, was passed away, can anybody tell? I have told you. When he was passed away, Sukarmur.
5 September 1857.
1857. Okay. Now, I will take another Western thinker whose name is Karl Marx. Karl Marx. He is also the father of communism. Karl Marx is regarded the father of communism. Who? Auguste Comte was the father of socialism, and this Karl Marx is also regarded the father of communism. Remember this thing, father of communism. We will discuss what is communism after that. First of all, we will try to learn about his life scale. Why he was born, what he has done. First of all, we will say something about his biography, his life. My dear students, Karl Marx, the father of communism, was born on 5th May 1818. Remember this thing. Well, somebody will tell you in your interview, and some it will come into your examination when was the Karl Marx was born. Remember this, he was born on 15th May 1818 in Germany. He was born in Germany. He received his early education at Trier, T-R-I-E-R, Trier. German name, Trier. In 1841, Marx received a doctorate in philosophy from the University of Jena. Doctorate in philosophy. He received the first doctorate in philosophy from the University of Jena. Karl Marx. उस वक्त लोग पढ़ते थे, पटमटेशन पढ़ते थे, 1818 में पढ़ रहा था, हमारा तो वजूद ही नहीं इस वक्त था. At that time he has got a doctorate in philosophy from the University of Jena. Marx started his early career as a journalist. He was a journalist. अखबार लिखने वाला, journalist. He started his first career as a journalist. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Journalist. And in 1943, he got married with Jeannie. Jeannie. G-E-N-N-Y. Jeannie. He married with Jeannie in 1943. His famous book, The Holy Family, the German Ideology. He has written the very important book, very good book, that is called Holy Family. The Holy Family book is based on the German ideology. He has written this book. Karl Marx has written this book. My dear students, the Karl Marx, the father of feminism, he died in London in March 1883. 1883, and buried in Highgate Cemetery. किसी कब्रिस्तान में ऐसा ग्रेवयार्ड है इसका, यहां पर इसको दफन किया गया है. किसको? कार्ल मार्क्स को. Martin Stanton, and he was buried. ये कम्युनिस्ट लोग भी उनसे दफन करा. He was buried in Highgate Cemetery. Understand? Yes. We are talking about Karl Marx. I am giving you the life secret of Karl Marx. Martin Stanton in 1849, he was exiled to England. Exiled को कोडुक है. Exiled को खान बदोश करो. कोडुक अपने मुल्क में कोडुक अपने मुल्क से इसको निकाला गया. अपने मुल्क से इसको निकाला गया. किसको? हाँ? कार्ल मार्क्स को निकाला गया in 1849 to England and lived there till death. जब तक वो मरा तब तक वो वहां पर इंग्लैंड में रहा, क्योंकि जर्मनी में इसको निकाल दिया गया. He was exiled. His radical political views led him to be exiled from Germany, France and Australia. यानी कि इसको किसी जगह टिकने नहीं दिया, क्योंकि इसका रेडिकल, इसका दिमाग जो था वो रेडिकल था. तो ऐसे वो ऐसे ही बयान देता था. बयानबाजी हो सकता है गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ करता होगा या ऐसे ऐसी व्यूज देता होगा. He was giving the thought which was against perhaps the government, against their views, and that is why he was exiled from Germany. जर्मनी से भी निकाला गया इसको, फ्रांस से भी निकाला गया इसको, एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भी इसको निकाला गया. Martin Stanton, it is worthwhile to mention that he studied philosophy, but he was not a philosopher. He has got a doctorate degree in philosophy, but he was not a philosopher. Philosopher was नहीं. But he studied philosophy. इसने philosophy पढ़ी थी, इसने पढ़ी थी, but he was not a philosopher. Martin Stanton, this is all about the Karl Marx, the father of communism. Now we will see, first of all, we will try to know what is communism. ताकि इसको पता आसे ये सिर्फ father की मान नहीं हमारे लोग जो ये बाप इसको माना जाता है the father of communism. What is communism? ये communism क्या गो? तो you have read communalism. You have read? No, you read in 12th class. You read communalism. You read in 12th class. Regionalism, communalism, secularism. These things will come in your next class. You will read in 12th class. But today I will write here what is communism. Okay? You are out.